Hi friends, this is Miss Olivia. Thanks for tuning in for our first week for our take and make craft bags. So this week in your bag, you should have had a toilet paper tube, a container of paint, a paintbrush, and a bag of wax sticks. So the first thing we're going to do is ask your adult if they can cut your toilet paper tube. I put little notches in mine and I just do 3 simple cuts. Small one here and then I just cut it across on the bottom. And then it looks like this all the way around. Once they're done cutting it, you can take your paint and paintbrush to paint to make it look like a little tower. This is Rapunzel's tower. And then with our wax sticks, we're going to practice braiding. So I'll show you how to do a 2-strand braid, a 3-strand braid, and a 5-strand braid. You can just decide which one you'd like to do. If you want to challenge yourself or do something a little bit simpler, then you can do that. So when you finish, it should look like this. That's the 5-strand braid. I just take the wax sticks once I'm done with my braid and I fold it over right here, and it looks like Rapunzel's been up there braiding her rainbow hair. Real quick, before I show you the braid tutorial, I want to show you a couple of books that go along with this week's theme. I have Thon Fairytales. This book is a pretty easy look and find book, probably really good for the preschool and toddler set. Each page has a prompt. Which gingerbread house has a witch in the window? Do you see her? Here she is. At our house, we like to kind of play our own I Spy games with these. So here we would say, oh, I spy a squirrel, or I spy 2 bunnies. And then we take turns making the other person look for things in the pictures. Our second book is Rapunzel, Let Down Your Zip Wire. We have a whole series of these, fixing fairy tale problems with STEM. The book gives you the story, and then throughout the book there are different experiments you can do. So there's test hair strength, has all the information you need to do that experiment, and then there's also making a zip wire. So that would be perfect for the elementary schoolers, good for that age group. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in this week. We hope to see you next week. You can pick up your take and make bags on Monday and Tuesday, and then next Wednesday we'll post another craft video. See you later. Okay, so the first braid we're going to do is we're just going to do a 2-strand braid, which is where we take 2 strands and you kind of pinch it at the top, just like that. And then we just twist it. You can twist it tight or loose, up to you. There we go. And when you get to the bottom, we'll just squeeze it so it stays twisted. So that is our 2-strand braid. Next is our 3-strand braid. So we're going to take 3 of our wax sticks. We're going to pinch them together at the top. Line them up, and then you just squeeze them. I have paint on my hand from painting my tower. Okay, set it down. So we take the piece that's outside and we move it to the middle, and then outside and we move it to the middle. So we're going to start with our orange piece and we're going to move it to the middle, just like this. And then we're going to take our blue piece and put it in the middle. Pink piece in the middle, just like that, and you keep going over and to the middle all the way down. When I get to the bottom, I squeeze all 3 together, just like this, and that is our 3-strand braid. Next is our 5-strand braid. So we take 5 strands, line them up, and then we squeeze them at the top just like we did with the others. Okay, so 5-strand braid sounds a little complicated, but it's very easy. You just need to remember left over and under, right over and under. Okay, so we start on the left and we take it and we go over. So we took the blue over the green, and then we go under the orange, just like that. And then we take our yellow right over the pink and under the blue. Left, take the green, go over the orange, and then under the yellow. Take pink over the blue and under the green. We just keep going like that. So we go left over and under, right over and under. This is what your 5-strand braid should look like at the end. So now we can take our castle and just hook it over the side so it looks like Rapunzel's beautiful rainbow hair. She had lots of time to figure out how to do a 5-strand braid. Or you can take your 3-strand braid, hook that over. Or if you did a 2-strand braid,